Hi everyone, welcome to WebTech Production. In this part of CSS tutorial, I will talk about CSS box model. In fact, box model concept is very important concept in CSS because it determines how elements are positioned within the browser window. It is called box model because CSS treats every element as if it were in box, like this. When we set width and height to HTML element, then it means that it will occupy this much space. When we specify some padding to HTML element, then it means that it will occupy this much space. And if we specify some border to HTML element, then it means that it will occupy this much space. And finally, if we specify some margin to HTML element, then it means that it will occupy this much space. In fact, box model is very easy concept in CSS. If I describe box model in one sentence, then box model is nothing but the way of adding additional width and height to HTML element. It means that by using padding, border and margin property, we can add more space around HTML elements. Now let's practically see how can we add more space around HTML element by using padding, border and margin property. Let us start coding. Let us change title of document to now let us create 4 paragraph element and assign ID to each one of paragraph. We have created 4 paragraph elements successfully and assigned ID to each one of paragraph. The ID of first paragraph is P1, the ID of second paragraph is P2, the ID of third paragraph is P3, and the ID of fourth paragraph is P4. Now by using CSS, let us see how can we add more space around these paragraph elements. To use CSS, we need to go to his section and use style tag. Now let us select first paragraph element by its ID. The ID of first paragraph element is P1. Now let us type opening and closing curly braces. Now let us change background color of this paragraph. Let us set the value of background color to red. Now let us set height and width to this paragraph element. Let us set height of this paragraph element to 50 pixel. Let us set the width of this paragraph element to 200 pixel. Now let us select second paragraph element by its ID. Now let us select second paragraph element by its ID, which is P2. Now let us type opening and closing curly braces. Now copy all properties and value of first paragraph element and paste it here. Now let us save the file and see how a browser displays these two paragraphs. Go to file, select on save command. As you can see, the browser displayed both P1 and P2 paragraph at the same size. Now by using padding property, let us add some space around P2 paragraph. Let us use padding property and set the value of padding property to 10 pixel. Put semicolon at the end. Now let us save the file and see we could add more space around P2 paragraph or not. Go to file, select on save command. As you can see, this time the browser displayed second paragraph bigger than first paragraph. Now let us make third paragraph to look like second paragraph. For that we need to copy all the properties used in second paragraph and use it in third paragraph. Let us do it right now. Let us select third paragraph by its ID. The ID of third paragraph is P3. type opening and closing curly braces. Now let us copy all the properties of P2 paragraph and paste it here. Now let us save the file. As you can see, web browser displayed P3 paragraph, same like P2 paragraph. Now by using border property, let us add more space around P3 paragraph. Let us use border property. Let us set the value of border property to 5 pixel solid black. Put semicolon at the end. Now let us save the file and see we could add more space around third paragraph or not. Go to file, click on save command. As you can see, we could add more space around P3 paragraph. Now let us make fourth paragraph to look like third paragraph. For that we need to copy all the properties used in third paragraph and use it in fourth paragraph. Let us copy. Let us select fourth paragraph by its ID, which is P4. Let us type opening and closing curly braces. Let us type the properties. Now let us save the file. As you can see, web browser displayed fourth paragraph similar to third paragraph. Now by using margin property, let us add more space around fourth paragraph. Margin. Let us set the value of margin property to 10 pixel. Now let us save the file and see we could add more space around P4 paragraph or not. As you can see, we could add more space around P4 paragraph. The color of the space is white, so we can't see it. Okay guys, this was the example and explanation of box model. If you liked my video, please click on thumbs up button, and if you are new to my channel and didn't subscribe yet, please do subscribe now.